If you can't control what you do with your own hand, how the hell do you expect to control your career, your relationships, your future? You think NoFap is just about avoiding porn? Wrong. It's about taking your power back. And if you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what happens to your brain, your body, and your confidence when you go 30 days clean. Let's be brutally honest. Most of you watching are addicted. You don't choose to watch porn. You feel pulled to it. You tell yourself just one more time, and then suddenly an hour's gone. Your energy? Gone. Your motivation? Gone. Here's the ugly truth. Porn isn't free. It's costing you your attention span. It's costing you your ambition. It's literally draining your willpower. And deep down, you know it. That's why you feel guilty after. Now imagine this. You quit. The first week, brutal. Your brain screams for that dopamine hit. You feel restless, irritated. You'll think, what's the point? But here's the secret. That pain is proof that your brain is healing. Your dopamine receptors are resetting. Your mind is detoxing. It's like withdrawing from a drug. And if you can survive those 7 days, you're already ahead of 90% of people. Week 2 is when things start shifting. You notice small changes. You wake up with more energy. Your focus lasts longer. You actually feel motivated to work out, to study, to get shot done. And here's the wild part. People around you notice. You carry yourself differently. Your body language changes. Suddenly, you're not avoiding eye contact. You're owning it. That's the confidence porn was stealing from you. Now we hit the transformation phase. Around day 15, your energy is through the roof. Your workouts feel stronger. Your brain feels sharper. It's like someone turned the lights back on in your head. By day 30, you feel unstoppable. Your drive returns. Your discipline grows. Your ambitions finally feel possible again. And here's the kicker. It's not that you've gained some superpower. It's that you stopped throwing your power away. Let me hit you with some brutal truths. Number 1, if you can't beat a screen, you won't beat life. If you can't handle urges, how will you handle rejection, stress, failure? Number 2, you are weaker than you think. If porn controls you, you're not in charge of your life. You're a slave to an algorithm. Number 3, discipline is rare. Most men never even try NoFap for 30 days. That's why most men live average, empty lives. Number 4, your brain is fried. Dopamine from porn is like crack. It wires you to need cheap, fake rewards. That's why you're tired, unfocused, unmotivated. Number 5, your confidence is fake. You feel weak around real people because your brain is trained to be a slave to pixels. When you quit for 30 days, you look people in the eye again. You feel like a man again. Number 6, you're wasting your life. Hours gone, energy gone, goals postponed. And for what? 5 minutes of emptiness. Do you want to stay average or do you want to rise? Here's the shift. NoFap isn't about avoiding something bad. It's about creating space for something better. 30 days clean gives you focus, energy, clarity. It's the reset button your life desperately needs. So here's my challenge. Prove to yourself that you're stronger than your urges. Do 30 days of NoFap. Stop wasting your power. Stop being a slave. And when you're ready to go beyond, when you're ready to truly level up, watch my video, Destroy Your Comfort Zone. Because quitting NoFap is step 1. Breaking your comfort zone, that's how you build an unstoppable life. Your move.